Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to remove Google accounts in your PC or on Chrome browser. Let's get started. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your Chrome browser. Once you're there, you click on your profile, after which you simply need to sign out this Gmail account. You click on what sign out. So after that, you click on what continue. So once you're done with that, you simply click on what sign in. So after which you simply click on what remove account. Simply click on this minus. After that, you click on what yes, I want to remove this account. So guys, that is actually the way you remove Gmail accounts on your Chrome browser or on your PC. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.